And sorry guys about that two videos that you didn't hear, but it's okay. I can create more thousands of infinity videos. And if you wanna just watch more about this video, I had thousands of books. Oh my god, even this. My favorite one is the Dog Man Unleashed. And if you want to get it, just go to